What's up everyone? Today I'm showing you a complete complaint management system I built using JSP, Servlets and MySQL. Let's dive right in. This is a two-tier user system where employees can submit and manage complaints while administrators have full oversight. They can approve, decline or delete any complaint. The system handles user authentication, role-based access, and follows clean MVC architecture for maintainability. First thing first, let's create a new employee account. I'll fill out this registration form. Account created successfully, the system automatically redirects us to the login page. Notice how smooth that transition is. That's our servlet handling the post request and managing the user session. Now I am logged in as an employee. Check out this clean dashboard interface. As an employee, I can submit new complaints. Let me create one about, let's say, my phone was lost yesterday. Submit that and there it is added to my complaint list with a pending status. I can edit this complaint while it's still pending, maybe add more details about my phone. And if I change my mind completely, I can delete it before any admin takes action. Now, let's switch perspectives. I'm logging out and signing as an administrator. The admin view is completely different. I can see all complaints from every employee in the system. This gives me a bird's eye view of what's happening across the organization. As an admin, I've got full control. I can approve this complaint about the printer, decline this one that seems duplicate. And if I needed, I can permanently delete complaints that are inappropriate. Notice how the status updates in real time. That's the power of our servlet-based architecture handling these status changes smoothly. Both users and admins can securely log out, which properly destroy their session, no security risks. Let me walk you through the system architecture. This is built following the MVC design pattern, which keeps everything organized and maintainable. JSP files serve as the front-end views. Servlets like sign in, sign up, complaint, and admin act as controllers. DAO classes and model classes handle all database logic. MySQL is used to persist user and complaint data. Clean separation of concerns. JSP handles presentation. Servlets manage request and business logic. DAO layer handles database operation, all connected to MySQL. Now, let's see this architecture in action through the code. Here's our complaint submission form. Notice the action attribute point to complaint and method is post. When a user fills this form and clicks submit, it triggers an HTTP post request to our complaint controller servlet. Here's our complaint controller with the @webServlet annotation mapping it to complaint. The doPost method handles the incoming request. The servlet extracts form parameters, description, date, user ID, creates a complaint DAO object and calls the model to save it to MySQL. After processing, it sends a redirect response back to the browser with a success status. That's the complete HTTP request response cycle. Form submission triggers, post request, servlet process it, database get updated and user see the result. And that's a wrap on the complaint management system. We've got secure authentication, role-based access control, full CRUD operations, and a clean MVC architecture. Everything you would want in a professional web application. Thank you for watching.